Guess we're coming into Kitties. All sorts of little, all these lamp poles. Maybe it's just over this rise. There it is, all over on the side over here. Looks like Kitties over there. B1. Okay, I'm not sure where I should go. That's the town of Keetmanshoop. Ek weet nie waar ek fucking moet gaan, because the road that I remember seeing, Groena, Luderitz, I don't want to go into the town. The road that I remember seeing basically went straight. You had to turn left to go down to Noordoever, and if you keep straight, you go the way I want to go. So ek is nie so seker nie. Again, did I examine it in detail? So we'll probably see a garage coming up, I would think, if I just stay on this road. I hope. Because you would think that would be the way it is, rather like at Marienthal. I went in, but you know, you just stay on the main road, there's a crutch. So let's see what happens if I stay here. Kitties, who knows what the time is. B1. I don't S this, man. I don't want to go to, where's Luderitz? Okay, there's a big traffic circle up ahead there. Again, that just doesn't feel, that little sign to the right doesn't feel correct, because that's going into the town of Kitties. Well, I might have to go back for gas. I might have enough to get to Bethany, but I don't want to try it. Customs and excise B4. Yeah, I think that's what I got to do. That's the one I want. I want to be on the B4 going straight, you see. But is there a petrol station over there? I don't think so. So B1, exactly, RSA. Luderitz B4 is the one I want. Let me go back and get some gas. Bloody hell. Central lots. Okay, certainly come in the industrial side. Metro's open. I guess if I keep going, at some point I'll hit a gas station. Right over there. Support local business. Daar sê julle. Love you all.